when and how do I go about pruning my Loropetalum? And this is from Kim right here in Memphis. You have one of these at home, don't you?
Oh, I have several.
I have one at
yeah.
home.
I've got green forms, I've got purple leafed forms.
Yeah,
I like them all for different reasons.
Yeah.
You know, they bloom usually in late winter and early spring, and so it comes under the category of a shrub that is blooming. And the rule of thumb is always to prune a blooming shrub right after it finishes blooming. So that's when I would wait to prune it, is after it finishes blooming. I know they say they're small, but some of them get very tall. So I know people want to prune them. And you can prune them any time of year you want to, but you're going to lose blooms. Mm-hmm. But if you prune them right after they finish blooming, you'll have a better chance of getting a pretty blooming plant the next year.
Yeah, if you prune them now, it's usually because something's dead, something's dying, or it's rubbing, crossing or something like that. That's the only time I really prune back, things like this. But yeah, late winter, early spring, it's a good time to do that. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful plant.
I like them.
Yeah, I really do. And yeah, most people are trying to control the growth, of course, usually. And what happens is, what do? They go right over the top.
Yeah.
Instead of, I always reach down.
Reach
down next, branch. It's the best way to go about pruning those. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.